Vanakkam, Sunita here, brother. Kanjivaram today from Vastram, but there's a pure Zari Kanjivaram again, and this is a designer collection. Definitely, I'll explain you the purity of the product. It's 4 gram plus purity, so it has a resale value, and it's an authentic Kanjivaram woven Kanjivaram sari, because a lot of saris have their destination at the at Kanjivaram. Like a lot of rivers end in the all the rivers end in sea is the saying, right? Like that, a lot of silk saris end up in Kanjivaram, getting their own name as Kanjivaram, even though they're not woven in Kanjivaram. They have the name of Kanjivaram because the destination is there. That is the name where the country has, the nation itself has an identity for silk saris, and that's how it ends up there. But this is definitely an authentic Kanjivaram woven pure zari handloom Kanjivaram, and a designer piece because everything is very special about that. It's a silver zari plus gold zari and a panel of works done. Let's open up the sari to understand. Priced at 28,500 if I'm not wrong. That is the sari for you. Let's open up. It's completely a designer, a grey with a black combination with a silver zari, golden zari palla. Let me show you the pallu in close. It's not only the pallu that is, the color that is contemporary, but the design on the pallu is also very designer because it's not the normal ones in the middle panel. Here, there is a jugalbandi of tradition and trendiness together in the sari. It's a pure zari woven Kanjivaram. Look at that. Have you ever seen something so different and unique? This is what Vastram works for, and that's what we give you. That's the blouse part, which is like plain without any zari weavings on this, because it's completely designer. You don't need to wear the same blouse and this could be worn with, wow, I have words are getting stuck for me as I see the sari. Might be able to close my eyes and talk to explain this beautiful sari. See that, let me explain. This is golden zari woven buttas on the panel. As such, it's a mubbagam sari, that is 3 parts: ash, black and a grey. Okay, in that, look at the designing concept. There is silver zari woven buttas all throughout, silver zari woven buttas all throughout the panels wherever it needs a highlight. Not everywhere, but in some places, which gives a niche to it. And upon that, there is a golden buttas on the black portion, which gives a beautiful highlight, and a subtle of the same in the silver portion, which gives a very a very interesting highlight for the sari by itself. Look at that graceful sari, yes. Trust me, believe me, this is amazing. This is designer. This is what is called designer, where you don't get to get them normally in all stores, all pages. I am not blaming anybody for that, but I'm so awestruck with the beauty. I'm so happy that we have got this design and we have done it so well for ourselves and for the customers. It's so classy. Beauty is the name that you can go in for this. This is what is called a designer piece. There is so much of tradition and the contemporary touch to it, which makes it a classic Kanjivaram, borderless, trendy, designer Kanjivaram in pure zari, priced at just 28,500. So that is the sari. I don't know. That's a very beautiful sari. You don't need to ali open it, koli side cross kit koli. Wow, look at that. Okay. Absolutely. Each side, mama. Each side, mama. Look at that. You see that grand yet class, yet traditional and Kanjivaram hand woven beautiful sari. The panels have got, I missed out, right? The Pegasus, the peacocks and only those two. Okay, see, let me show the weaving in close. Wow, isn't she a beauty by herself? She is. Yes, yes should be the answer from all of you guys, because it's so beautiful. Don't take me wrong, don't take me, I'm just like too much explaining the sari. The sari demands so much, and definitely yes, for nothing we can give explanation. For something very special, why not? That's my thought. Like, this is too much for my eyes. It's a visual treat for myself, and definitely a showstopper and a wardrobe collections for you people. Very beautiful. This is Rudraksham here. I just don't want to stop the video because it's so beautiful. I don't know how to stop it. It's so pretty. This is those Rudraksham. I mean the Pegasus and the horses. Sorry, and the peacocks and the Rudraksham all throughout the same thing continues in panel. So in some places, the distancing in the initial 1.5 meters, this is so closely done, and after that the distancing happens where it is not required on the chest part. Then the distance of the buttas increases, and that's the entire sari. Trust me guys, please, yeah, go ahead. I don't know who is the lucky owner of the sari. Take it and make it yours. Bye. Happy shopping. Hope you really enjoyed the video. Let me know how do you feel about the sari, and any suggestions, any color combinations are most welcome so that the next sari can happen that way.